Morning, Sampath Engineering Service and Group test how to check testing optical PC817 photocoupler. This photocoupler number PC870. This diode. This one ground. This one 330 resistor. This one testing switch. This output DC 5 watt. This photographer, the camera side. This photographer camera side. This one ground. This side OC LED 3 milli lamp. This one the 330 resistor. This output 5 volt DC. Whole diagram, photocoupler diagram, all working system. This have photocoupler, inverter, AC board Samsung. This one photocoupler. This C0 mesh side. This side 5 volt. This one 5 volt output. This one inverter AC. This one IPM IC. ICPM IC. So IPM IC not working. Let's check IPM IC not working. One side 310 DC power no out. AC short. There is one good capacitor 440 watts 1150 UF is good. I see good. This one same refrigerator Samsung in 220 input converter card output 12 watt 5 watt and ground. This DC, this IC program output this same. Here is out. This one AC DC card. The DC out main PCB compressor control board. This output this side. Okay. Okay, this one testing, testing 220, this 220 blue and orange color 220 wire, the input 220, this output this one test lamp IPM IC, check UVW tester. Check IC working or working now test. This one 1224 5 watt output converter. This one converter wire to fix have this one, this wire 5 watt and down, 5 watt and down. Okay, now test, check the power. input power card, power input. Check the input wire. Okay, now switch on, power output, switch on, test lamp, yes, one blink lamp, check the tester, only one side working, two side no working, UVW power no come, IPMIC problem. Now check how many time LED work. Switch off, now switch on, blink, one time blink, IC compressor no go power. Check. This one inverter, Samsung refrigerator. Now repair, check how to repair. So DC power, DC Samsung.